Everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This is probably a barber's biggest fear. If they use a razor for too long, the vibrations can cause their fingers to lose blood flow. If this is not quickly taken care of, they could lose their fingers.
Ui.
This guy thought climbing without ropes or
Caralho.
gear was a good idea.
Dude. Okay, calm down.
Shut up! You got it. Focus. Where do I put my hand? You're saying you got it. Dude, where do I put my hand? Put your right foot up.
Dude.
Dude, I can't. I can't. I don't want to do it anymore.
I have never seen an angry chipmunk before.
Como é que é, Ribeiro? Ixi.
I found this tortoise that hates the color black.
Oh. Mano, que racista, mano. Olha. Ai.
Ooh, Mum, new shoes. What are you saying?
No cap. All I'm seeing is flames.
My guy.
Keep up the drip, my G.
O quê? Mano. Caralho, meu.
Ooh, Mum, new shoes. What are you saying?
No cap. All I'm seeing is flames.
My guy.
Keep up the drip, my G.
This dog was absolutely terrified of these fake cats.
Maverick.
Olha.
Hey, come on.
Como é que é, Chaves?
Mav.
Olha. Ai, brutal. Caralho.
This professional stunt driver wanted to make the fastest garbage can ever made.
Ai.
These guys celebrated their escape a little too early. All these people have introverted and shy dogs, so they wanted to see what would happen if they brought them all together in one place.
Como é que é, Bianca? Como é que é, senhora
For the
Dani?
first time ever, scientists made a device that can help paralyzed people walk again. This man was
Ui.
paralyzed from the waist down, so doctors put a microchip on his brain and on his spinal cord. This allows his brain to jump the gap and make a wireless bridge so brain signals can reach his legs. For some reason, this cat has to walk on the same exact path every day.
Mano, a tecnologia está a avançar muito
That is the end of this
rápido.
video. We hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
A tecnologia está a avançar muito rápido, foda-se.